So in this video, as you can see, there's a new agent called Vice. It's going to be really soon, but if you don't want to pay and if you don't want to create a new account just for you to unlock this new agent for free and fast, there's this thing called the Xbox Game Pass. You can get this Xbox Game Pass by using a free trial. Here you can see the perks. With Game Pass, members will other benefits including all current Valorant agents, so you can unlock all the Valorant agents that you haven't unlocked. They want access to every new Valorant agent as they're released. So when Vice is released and you can, everyone can start playing Vice, everyone can start unlocking Vice. You will get Vice as soon as it's released and unlocked. So how you can do this is by going to your Xbox app, by searching on Xbox here, and then click it, open it, and search for Valorant, and you can see here that it's included with Game Pass. So you want to click on it, right? And then there's this thing will pop up, and you can link your Xbox with your right account. And I'm going to continue here, and I need to open up my email, but I don't want to do that. So after you have done that, and I think after that your account is going to be linked and you can use Vice. Let me check. I don't know if it's linked yet. I think it's haven't linked yet. Yeah. So after you link your Xbox with your right account, you can enjoy the perks and the benefits of Xbox Game Pass. Okay, let's check. I think it's haven't been released yet. I think. Yeah, it's haven't been released yet. So this is the great and the best time for you to link your account with your Xbox. If you don't believe me, there's a free trial. See, there's a free trial. You can hop on your credit card on the Xbox and you will get 14 days trial. You can also enjoy all of the other games that coming within this Game Pass also. My bad. Here, click on here, all PC games. You can also get other benefits as well from Riot, such as League of Legends. Benefit is unlock all the champion too. Teamfight Tactics, also benefits Legend of Runeterra. I don't know what this game is. All cards in the foundation set. So here you go. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video, I guess.